up, different gang? It is Dark Beauty 925 coming to you live, and today I have an e.l.f. unboxing haul for you guys. I am so excited. It seemed like it took forever to get here. I do not even know why, or it could have just been my impatience since I just felt like I ordered a long time ago, because I just know I did. But before you get into this video, please make sure you click that subscribe button. Please make sure you thumbs up this video, and also leave a comment on which product was your favorite after you get through watching this video. So I forgot how many things I got, but it came in just this brown box. Definitely not as pretty as the Ipsy, but I mean, hey, I really hope I do not mess my nails up opening this box. Look at this box. I literally just tore this box straight up. Not even like, didn't even care, didn't even open it pretty. So I would tell you guys the prices of all this stuff, but it's not even on the invoice, and I really forgot. So if I'm not too lazy, I will link the stuff, like every single product that I got, but I feel like I'm gonna be too lazy after I edit this, so I might not. But everything is most definitely on the e.l.f. website. So the first thing that I see is this e.l.f. detail crease brush, and I just really wanted this because I was using my same like one brush for all of my eyeshadows, and I know that it's better when you use different brushes for like different parts of your eye when you're doing your eyeshadows. So I was most definitely excited to get this. The next thing that I got is a silicone angled liner brush, and I don't think that this is like what I meant to get for real. I really meant to get an angle brush, but I think when I saw this I was like, wait, this is totally cool, but I really wanted it for my eyebrows, and I don't think that this is going to work. Really look at the tip of this brush. I don't know how that's going to work, but I'm gonna try it. Next thing that I got was this e.l.f. Stardust glitter, and it looks absolutely beautiful online. I'm about to just open the packaging. It might be too messy to do a swatch, but I'll try to show something at least. Oh yeah, it's that messy one. It's most definitely that messy one. So this Stardust glitter is so hard to open. I was really trying to like open it, but the plastic film on it is like making it so hard to open. But I'm gonna just kind of come close so y'all can see like the nice little sparkles of that, and I just think it is so cute. And it is in the color Bronze Comet, which I bet won't focus, but excited to test that out for sure. I don't know if this is just a personal problem of mine, but I literally hate the way cardboard feels on bare skin. Like, I can't deal with it. The next thing that I see in here is this baked highlighter that is in Apricot Glow, and I just thought it was a really nice highlighter. Most of the highlighters that I use, you catch it on the light, you catch it, but it's not really that bold, and I feel like by getting this highlighter it'll be way more bold. And I don't know, I just been into like sparkly golds lately. It's not really that defined, so it's not like I'm going too far out my comfort zone, but it still is a little bit brighter than I usually have as a highlighter, so most definitely can't wait to try this out. Next thing that I have in here is this lip liner and blending brush. This is actually the reason that I even went on the e.l.f. site, is because I know like e.l.f. kind of has cheaper products, and I really wanted to try lip liner because on my last lip products video, I believe, one of these videos I said like, you know, I'm not comfortable at all with wearing like light lipstick, and it was a couple people commenting like, girl, just slay your lips by getting a brown highlighter and then like wearing your nudes, and it would just look so cute. So I just ended up getting me one that has a blending brush at the end of it, and I got it in the color deep brown, so I'm excited to try this most definitely. Next thing that I got is some correct and set eye powder, and I got it in peach in the medium tone. I probably should have got one in a darker tone than this, but I'm pretty sure they ran out, because I don't know why I would get this color. I really don't. So the last thing that I actually ordered is just another eyebrow cream. It's the Eyebrow gel that I use every single day, so I just had to get me another one, because I just feel like anytime that I shop for e.l.f. in like a mass shopping spree, that I have to get a eyeliner gel, because or eyebrow gel, because I literally cannot run out of this stuff. So OMG though, look at it, it came in cracked. I mean, it doesn't matter to me because it just doesn't, but still, I don't like that. So that was the last thing that I ordered, but if you spend $25, they sent you free stuff, and they actually sent a lot of free stuff. Like, I'm surprised that they sent all of this. So I'm about to open it, and just as a reminder, all of this that I'm about to show you is free. I did not order this stuff. It just automatically got in my cart when had it over $25. So the first thing that I see is this jet black liquid eyeliner, which I was most definitely in need of. So thank you, e.l.f. for giving me this for free because I was going to order it anyway. So I'm kind of glad that I didn't. And then I got a lip balm, which is in the color pink, and I actually want to open this. It does show up a color, and I don't really know if I'm going to like that color on my skin tone, but I will most definitely try it and see. And then the last thing that it came with is this Naked Prism eyeshadow palette, and that is like one of the things that I'm very surprised that came in here because it just sent me a whole eyeshadow palette for free, plus eyeliner, plus a lip balm. Like, so I'm just about to open it up just to examine the colors, if I can open it up. But they're just like very natural colors, and I'ma just swatch the last color, which is like a rose gold type of color, and that is actually showing up really nice. I like that, this color right here, and it is this last color right there. And I just think all of these colors are really pretty, especially because I am more of like a neutral shades type of girl. That is all for my e.l.f. unboxing video. I really hope that you enjoyed. If you want more videos like this, most definitely comment. Also, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe. It is Dark Beauty 925 signing out this live. Bye.